And that, a gentleman told me, is South Peak. Whilst I will climb tomorrow and continue on my journey from there to, I think, West Peak, and then back and down.
完了，40岁你给你儿子讲，我
咱
当年就要
这温度也很高嘛，小几度的，小几的快出来。
I can only imagine what it's going to be like at sunrise. You can rent climbing gear, at least a harness and some clips for it.
就原先来走云梯那条路，云梯你们上了吗？
101。
Sure feels like a heck of a good storm's coming. There's some pretty color. Beautiful light on the other side of the mountain if you're over on that side, which you're not, but makes for some beautiful color over here too. I think that's the morning star, which isn't a star at all. I think it's Venus or something.
气象站，我们住在气象站。
多少钱一晚？
便宜。
80块一个。
The Chinese have to make a lot of noise when they're excited, apparently, even in a beautiful, tranquil scene. This is the hostel. And my room is the second from the left on the first floor there. Started out with me being the only one around 3 o'clock, and by the time I went to bed, every bed was filled up with 1 or 2 people. My standing post for my setup of shots is right at the corner of this roof of more units that I'm standing on. Both the fog and the cloud cover in the east is going to block the sun for quite a little while before it quote-unquote rises. Interesting sounding birds if you can hear them. I've seen 3 birds here: a hawk, a relatively small blackbird, larger than a sparrow, and some swallows. In these kind of scenes, I'm always reminded of I think it's Janet Ider's line from one of her songs, "How many creatures see the sunrise?" Saw this little critter last night, squirrel-like little guy. It is a squirrel. Looks like the sun, when it finally rises, will rise over that peak just on the left. Hopefully when I get to South Peak a little later on this morning, I'll be able to see those cloud banks spilling over the mountains with some sun illuminating them, which should make them very pretty. The sun is breaking through the clouds, and pretty sight that may just give us a full circle of sun.
咱们5个人了，
没事，你就下去了。
下去了。
哎，这片红叶照一照。多钱？
Here begins the route to South Peak, a rather moderate move. Gently downhill for a while, and then the steep climb up, I'm sure. It's interesting to see the garb that these folks climb in. Heels, simple shoes. Some with, and now the others, of course, who are used to doing this stuff with reasonably high-tech stuff. Gotta get my body warmed up again to steep climbing of this moderate stuff here.